morning students. Chapter 2 Fractions, Decimals and Rational Numbers. In this we are going to learn about the fractions. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of the whole. For example, a banana is there. We have to distribute that one banana to two members. So how can we distribute that banana? By making it half. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is the way of fraction. So see here, this is a circle. I made this circle into 4 equal parts. Here I am shading one part. So from this, what we have to write? From this, how many shaded parts are there? We can write as 1 by 4. Out of 4 parts, I have shaded only one part. So 1 by 4. How many parts are not shaded? This can be written as 3 by 4. That means 3 parts are not shaded out of 4 parts. So this is the expression of a fraction. See here, in this 3 by 4, 3 is called numerator, 4 is called denominator. So in these fractions, some type of fractions we are going to study in class 7. Those are first one, like fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions which are having the same denominator are called like fractions. See here, I am writing 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. What do you observe? Out of these 3 fractions, the denominators are same. So this type of fractions are called like fractions. Then unlike fractions. Fractions which are having different denominators are called unlike fractions. 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 7 by 6. You observe the denominators here 4, 5, 6. All are different. So these are called unlike fractions. Examples for the unlike fractions. Next, coming to the point, proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? If the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is called a proper fraction. I am writing 2 by 3. What is the numerator here? 2. What is the denominator here? 3. Numerator is less than the denominator, so it is called the proper fraction. I am going to write one more example. 4 by 5. Here also the numerator is less than the denominator, so it is called also proper fraction. And one more type we have improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? If the numerator is greater than the denominator, then those are called improper fractions. I am writing here 5 by 4, a fraction number. 5 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. 7 by 5 by 4. 5 numerator is greater than the denominator. Here also 7 by 5. 7 numerator is greater than the denominator. So these are all the examples for the improper fraction. If you observe the proper fractions and the improper fractions, we made one clear difference. What is the difference? Here the proper fraction is less than the 1. 2 divided by 3 comes less than 1. 4 divided by 5 comes less than 1. Whereas seen in the examples of improper fraction, 5 divided by 4, it will get more than 1 to each person. 7 by 5, we are dividing the 7 with 5, so we will get more than 1. So in an improper fraction, we get always less than 1. In an improper fraction, we get more than 1. Every improper fraction can also be expressed as a mixed fraction. See here 5 by 3. I am dividing 5 with 3. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, 2 remainder. So I am writing this 5 by 3 as 1, 2 by 3. So every improper fraction can be expressed as this type of mixed fractions 1, 2 by 3. In this 1, 2 by 3, 1 is the integral part and 2 by 3 is the fractional part. You observe one thing, this 2 by 3 is which type of fraction? This is a proper fraction. So we have to remember one thing. Every improper fraction can be expressed as mixed fraction. In that mixed fraction, we can write like this. The first one is the integral part and the second one is the fractional part. So this 1 2 by 3 can also be written as 1 plus 2 by 3. 1 plus 2 by 3. 1 plus 2 by 3 becomes 5 by 2. So this is the expression for the mixed fractions. We can express mixed fractions like this. So now we will do the addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions. Students, earlier we discussed the types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, like fractions and unlike fractions, mixed fractions. Here we are going to do the problems on addition of fractions. If we observe the concept wise in the addition of fractions, first of all, in addition of fractions, like fractions we add and unlike fractions we add, then mixed fractions we add. First see like fractions. I am taking two like fractions here, 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5 is equal to, we already know the like fractions are having same denominator, 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5, just simply you add the numerators, 2 plus 4 by 5, 2 plus 4, 6 by 5. This is the addition of like fractions. Addition of unlike fractions. See here, I am taking 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. These two are unlike fractions. Why? Because they are having different denominators. So how we add these unlike fractions? In this unlike fractions addition, we can do two methods. One is by doing these unlike fractions converting into like fractions. In other way, we can take the LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators are 3, 4. I am taking the LCM of 3, 4 here. So 2 divides. So this is carry forward number 3. 2 divides for 2 times. Once again I am doing with 2. Carry forward 3. 2 ones are. Next with the 3. 3 ones are and 1. So finally 2 into 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 is the LCM of these two denominators. So 3 divides 12 by how many times? 4 times. So 4 into the numerator 2 is a 9. So 8 plus 9, 17 by 12. So we can add unlike fractions in this LCM method in this way. Now see addition of mixed fractions. We already discussed how a mixed fraction is. See here, I am taking two mixed fractions, 1 2 by 3 plus 2 3 by 4. These two are mixed fractions. Now I am going to add these two mixed fractions. First of all, I am converting this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So how? 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 3 plus 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Now once again the denominators are 3, 4 here. So the LCM is 12. 3 divides 12 by 4 times. 4 into the numerator 5. 4 into 5, 20 plus 4 divides 12 by 3 times. 3 into 11, 33. So 20 plus 33, 53 by 12. So we can add the mixed fractions in this way. Now one more concept, the subtraction of fractions. In this also we take first of all like fractions and then unlike fractions, then mixed fractions. So see here, first of all I am taking the like fractions to do subtract. So I am taking 4 by 5 minus 2. 4 by 5 minus 2 by 4. These two are like fractions. So the denominator is having same number, so the LCM is 5. So now the numerators 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 by 5. So we can do the subtraction of like fractions in this way. Now see subtraction of unlike fractions. See here, I am taking unlike fractions 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. These two are unlike fractions. The LCM of 3 comma 4 is 12. 3 divides 12 by 4 times. 4 into 2, 8. 4 divides 12 by 3 times. 3 3s are 9. So plus 8 minus 9 minus 1 by 12. So we can do the subtraction of unlike fractions in this way. Now subtraction of mixed fractions. I am taking two mixed fractions here. 1 2 by 3 minus 2 3 by 4. How the subtraction is? First of all, I am converting these mixed fractions into improper fraction. 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 2 5 by 3 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4. See here, LCM of 3 comma 4 is 12. 3 divides 12 by 4 times. 4 into 5 20 minus 4 divides 12 by 3 times. 3 into 11 33. So finally we get plus 20 minus 33. So minus 13 by 12 we do. In this way we can do the addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions. Next we will do the comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions. In this comparison also we take two types, that is for like fractions we compare, and for unlike fractions also we are going to compare here. First of all, I am taking two like fractions here. 2 by 5 comma 4 by 5. I have taken two like fractions here. Denominators are having same number, so these two are like fractions. So out of these two fractions, which one is greater and which one is smaller? For that, simply we have to compare the numerators only. So what are the numerators here? Here the numerator is 2, here the numerator is 4. So out of these two, which one is greater? 4. 4 is greater. So the fraction 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. సింప్లీ మనం న్యూమరేటర్ నే కంపేర్ చేయాలి. డినామినేటర్స్ సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు న్యూమరేటర్ నే కంపేర్ చేయాలి. న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఇక్కడ 4 పెద్దగా ఉంది కాబట్టి 4/5. 4/5 is greater than 2/5. Then what about when we take unlike fractions? See here, 2/3 comma 3/4. Which one is greater? See here, these two are unlike fractions. Which one is greater is the question. So unlike fractions, we have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. For that, we have to take the LCM of 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 LCM. LCM of 3 comma 4 is 12. Now the denominator has to come 12. By which number we have to multiply here to get 12? So we have to multiply with 4, then only we get the denominator 12. Not only we have to multiply in the denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator also. Then only the value will not change. 2 into 4, 8 by 3 4 12. Next, take this fraction 3/4. To count the denominator as 12, what we have to multiply here? We have to multiply here 3. Not only in the denominator, we have to multiply the same number in the numerator also. Then only the value will not change. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. So out of 8/12, 9/12, which one is greater? 9/12 is greater. 9/12 is greater. That means 9/12 is for which fraction? 3/4. 3/4 is greater than 2/3. So in this way we can compare the unlike fractions. Rearrange 5/8, 5/6, 1/2 in ascending order. We have to rearrange this 5/8, 5/6, 1 by 2 in ascending order. So here are three fractions are there. So we have to arrange in ascending order, small to big. So first of all, we have to take the LCM of 8, 6, 2 for this. So I am dividing with 2, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja. Once again with 2, 2 2 ja, 4, 3 is carry forward, 1. Once again 2 1 ja, 3, 1. So once again I am doing with 3, 1, 3 1 ja, 3, 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So the LCM for these three fractions is 24. 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. So we have to convert these fractions, unlike fractions, into like fractions. So the denominator has to come 24. 24 raw value. So 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. So which number we have to multiply here to this fraction? We get 24 in the denominator. 5 by 8 into 3. 8 3 is 24 na? So I am multiplying 3 in the denominator as well as in the numerator also. So 5 3 is 15 by 8 3 is 24. Next here also, which number we have to multiply to get 24? So we have to multiply with 4. So not only in the denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator also. So 5 into 4, 20 by 24. Here also 1 by 2. Which number we have to multiply here to get 24? To 12. So I am multiplying this 2 with 12 in the denominator as well as in the numerator. So 1 into 12, 12 by 24. So see, all the three fractions are by like fractions. 15 by 24, 20 by 24, 12 by 24. All are like fractions. Why? Because the denominators are same here. So 12 by 24, I am arranging in ascending order. Which one is small? 12 is small. Numerator 12 by 24. Then 15 by 24. Then 20 by 24. 12 by 24, 15 by 24, 20 by 24. This is the ascending order. So once again I am writing these fractions of original fractions. 12 by 24, that is 1 by 2. 15 by 24, the original fraction is 5 by 8. 20 by 24, the original fraction is 5 by 6. So the ascending order of 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 5 by 8, 5 by 6. In this way we can rearrange any unlike fractions.